god. Oh my fucking god. What? And it looks like my paint is messed up. Oh my god. I don't have time. I don't even want to drive this.
That's funny.
Oh my god. I don't even want to drive my car.
I find this right. Don't blame this on me. I don't control bird shit.
Oh my god!
It's not my fault this time.
Come look at the front.
I know, it's just...
Oh my god.
Shithead.
And I don't even have any washer fluid to drive my car. Oh
That's
my
awesome.
god.
Bullshit's for the birds. I love it. That barely got hit.
Would this be holy shit?
Oh my god.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh.
I would wash it, but it's cold. One jacket.
Well,